Hello and welcome to the Long Island Weather Report. Not too much to talk about tonight, just a really crappy day with drizzle, light rain, constant, just damp and wet out there. It's starting to get muggy. You can see some of that light rain on the radar, and where you don't see it, it's drizzling. There's some fog. We have a dense fog advisory, and then we've got this line of severe thunderstorms, actually. Very impressive line of severe thunderstorms now going through the Mississippi. And there actually is a large, this is like a tornado warning for this whole line here. So I'm wondering if this is a derecho type of deal where they're issuing tornado warning for the whole line. That's what it seems like anyway. But this is I've never seen a tornado warning this long, and all around it a tornado watch. So crazy to see severe weather like this in December, but this is what happens when you have warm, humid air and strong systems where they're not supposed to be. For us, we have dense fog, and yeah, it's humid out there, 49, and obviously these are our high temperatures for the day. Dew points are rising, so let's look at our statistics for the day at iSlip, and then we'll talk briefly about tomorrow's weather. And high of 51, so I managed to get up to 51 today, and a low of 34. The high of 51, 9 degrees above normal, the low of 34, 7 degrees above normal, putting us 9 degrees above normal for the day, and tomorrow will be even warmer than that. So let's go look at the models. This is the satellite, by the way. You can see that storm system there. This is what's going to be moving through in a modified form tomorrow night. The worst of it goes into the Gulf states. I meant the Gulf, but this low goes into the Great Lakes, but we're going to have a line of showers and thunderstorms, perhaps accompanied by high winds. That we're going to talk about tomorrow night. That will be early Monday morning. For tomorrow, just use the HRRR at this point. For tomorrow, you'll see we have that lingering light rain and drizzle. Hopefully it clears out by the afternoon. We do get into the warm sector, so we get a break from that. The temperatures are going to rise. And then the rain will start entering the picture once again as we get toward later in the evening. Probably around 9, 10 o'clock, we'll start seeing some light rain move into the picture tomorrow night. But hopefully, at least part of the day in the afternoon will at least be dry. Looking at our dew points and wind flow, you'll see the south winds do take over. That's going to bring in warm, humid air. So dew points are going to rise into the 50s. And the temperatures, they're going to be even higher than that. So you'll see how the temperatures are going to get possibly, mid-60s perhaps for New Jersey. For us, 55 to 60 possible, especially if the sun comes out, which if we go look at the RGM here for a moment, it does have us breaking out into some sunshine by later in the afternoon. So that potential is definitely there. So that is going to wrap up this brief Saturday night Long Island Weather Report. At least tomorrow we won't be as dreary as today. Today, absolutely the worst kind of weather. I hate this kind of weather. Just constant rain and drizzle. Oh, yeah, I should take a look and see how much rain has fallen. It probably ain't much. I don't think it's mostly just light rain. So if we go look at 24 hours, you'll see. All right, it did add up to about almost a half an inch at iSlip. A little more in the city, but and a little less in New Jersey, but you'll see here that, we got, just all day rain, and it's going to be damp through the evening. Dense fog advisory in effect. We do have visibilities dropping as that warm, humid air moves over the colder ground. Anyway, have a good night.